have a cookie cutter, about 5 centimetres. You'll need a baking tray and make sure it's lined with baking paper, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 75 grams of sultanas or raisins, 45 grams of golden castor sugar or normal if you haven't got golden, 40 grams of butter unsalted, 75 millilitres of milk, 1 egg and 250 grams of plain flour. First of all, make sure you've heated your oven to 220 degrees. If you're using a fan oven, it needs to be 200 degrees or gas mark 7. First of all, you'll need a large bowl. You'll need a sieve, and you will need to sieve your flour and your baking powder into the large bowl. So remember, it's 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Flat teaspoons, you don't want really big teaspoons. When you've sieved the flour, you'll then want to add the sugar and the butter, and we'll rub it together until it resembles sultanas, or that kind of texture, like little balls. So I'm now going to add the butter, and I'm going to rub my mixture together. It might get a little bit messy. I've rubbed in my butter, and I'm now going to add my sultanas. I've added my sultanas into the bowl, and I've now got a jug with my milk in, and I'm going to add my egg into the jug. I'm going to use my whisk to beat together the egg and the milk. When they're fully mixed in, pour the mixture, the egg and the milk, into the bowl. This is where we'll start to see the mixture form a dough-like form. So here you're going to start to knead the mixture. Before you knead the mixture, make sure you've got a little bit of flour on your hands so that your hands don't get too sticky when you do it. If at any point you need to, if you think your mixture is a little bit dry, then add a little bit of milk into the mixture to make it not so dry. So make sure you've got a lightly floured surface when all of your dough is mixed in. So just a little bit of flour on the surface. And make sure it's evenly spread. Okay, so when you're ready, get your dough and put it onto the surface, the lightly floured surface. And either press or roll the mixture so that it's about 3 to 4 centimetres thick. I've pressed my mixture, and now what I need to do is get my cookie cutter, and I need to press down until I've got the circle, like this, and then I can pop this onto my baking tray. Make sure that they're far enough apart on your baking tray so that when they get bigger, that they're not going to touch each other. And do that until you've used all of the mixture up. So my mixture's made 7 scones. So about 6, 7, 8. So when you're ready, all you need to do is, if you want to, you can get a little bit of egg and use a baking brush to just coat the top of each scone. You don't have to do this, but it'll give it a nice shiny look when it comes out of the oven. And when you've done that, you're just going to pop them into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're light golden brown. And then you can take them out, leave them to cool for about half an hour, and then you can add your jam and your whipped cream. Okay, so the scones are out of the oven. They're a little bit hot, so I'm going to let them cool. And when they're cooled, I'm going to have some jam and some cream with them and a cup of tea. So when we go for Sunday dinner at home every weekend, my nanny will always order a cream tea. So